then I've got to use my formula backwards. So I have midpoint x equals x of 1 plus x of 2 divided by 2. And I have midpoint y, which equals y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2. Now, I know what the midpoint x is. It's 4. So I have 4 is equal to, and I know one of my x's, which is 9. I do not know my other x. So now I have an algebraic equation that I just have to use algebra to solve for. So I multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the 2 on the bottom. So I have 8 is equal to 9 plus x. Then I'm going to subtract. I have to bring my answer over here. So I have x is equal to negative 1. So there's one possibility, or that is the only possibility because it has to be in the middle. So I know the x value of my other point is negative 1. Then I turn around and I go, well, let me do the same thing for y. The midpoint y is 2. Then I have a 3, but I don't know the other y. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the 2 on the bottom. So I have 4 is equal to 3 plus y, or y is equal to 1. So when I went to graph this, this is basically what I've done. Okay, they may or may not ask you to graph it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. So this is the point A. Then I know for 2, which is the midpoint. What I don't know is the point over here. Well, now I found it. It's negative 1, 1. You can see that my line is a little crooked because it should go right there. Okay, so there's my other end. So I knew this, and I knew this, and I was trying to find that. I think that is where we're going to stop today, and I'm going to give you some work on that. The stuff for tomorrow is way harder, and so I would rather do that in person. So hopefully tomorrow we'll be back in class and we can do that in person. So tonight for homework, I want you to do page 411 through 412, 12 through 32 even. And this involves your distance formula and your midpoint formula. Tomorrow we're going to start on the parabola, and rather than just having a parabola that opens up and down, we're going to deal with ones that open right and left as well. All right.